Hi friends. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. Growing an organic garden allows you to have tastier fruits and veggies, to eat healthier meals, and to reduce pollutants in the environment. Regardless of your reasons, you'll probably find that insects and other pests also love the taste of the fruits and veggies in your garden. These natural and DIY pesticides are effective at helping to rid your crops of harmful critters, but safe enough to keep from poisoning you and your family. 1. Vegetable oil spray. A homemade insecticide made from vegetable oil mixed with a mild soap can have a devastating effect on certain troublesome insects, such as aphids, mites, thrips, etc. To make a basic oil spray insecticide, mix 1 cup of vegetable oil with 1 tablespoon of soap, cover and shake thoroughly, and then when it is ready to apply, add 2 teaspoons of the oil spray mix with 1 quart of water, shake thoroughly, and spray directly on the surfaces of the plants which are being affected by the little pests. The oil coats the bodies of the insects, effectively suffocating them, as it blocks the pores through which they breathe. 2. Soap spray. A very similar homemade pesticide to the oil spray is a soap spray, which is also effective for controlling mites, aphids, whiteflies, beetles, and other hungry little insects. To make a basic soap spray insecticide, mix 1 or 1.5 teaspoons of a mild liquid soap with 1 quart of water, and spray the mixture directly on the infected surfaces of the plants. A soap spray insecticide works in a similar fashion as an oil spray pesticide, and can be applied as necessary, though it is always recommended to not apply it during the hot sunny part of the day, but rather in the evenings or early mornings. 3. Neem oil spray. An oil extracted from the seeds of the neem tree is a powerful natural insecticide, capable of disrupting the life cycle of insects at all stages, making it a great resource for the organic gardener. Neem oil acts as a hormone disruptor and as an anti-feedant for insects that feed on leaves and other plant parts. Neem oil is biodegradable and is non-toxic to pets, birds, fish, and other wildlife, and is effective against a variety of common garden insect pests, as well as being a natural fungicide that can combat powder mildew and other fungal infections on plants. It can be found at many garden stores or natural foods markets. To use neem oil as an insecticide, either follow the instructions on the bottle, or start out with a basic mixture of 2 teaspoons neem oil and 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap shaken thoroughly with 1 quart of water, and then sprayed on the affected plant foliage. Neem oil can also be used preventatively by spraying the leaves of plants that are often ravaged by pests, before they're actually infested. 4. Diatomaceous earth. This natural substance with a somewhat unwieldy name is made from a sedimentary rock created by fossilized algae or diatoms, and which is a rather abundant resource. Diatomaceous earth has a number of uses in and around the home, and acting as a natural insecticide is just one of them. This material works not by poisoning or smothering the insects, but instead by virtue of its abrasive qualities and its affinity for absorbing the lipids from insects' exoskeleton, which then dehydrates them to death. 5. Garlic spray. Garlic is well known for its pungent aroma, which is delectable to some and yet repellent to others, and it is the strong scent that comes into play when used as a natural insecticide. Actually, it's not really clear if garlic spray and chili spray are insecticides or are more likely insect repellents, but either way, these common kitchen ingredients can be used to knock down, or even knock out, insect infestations in the garden. To make a basic garlic spray, take 2 whole bulbs and puree them in a blender or food processor with a small amount of water. Let the mixture sit overnight, then strain it into a quart jar, adding 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap, and enough water to fill the jar. To use this homemade insecticide, use 1 cup of mixture with 1 quart of water and spray liberally on infested plants. 6. Chili pepper spray. Similar to garlic spray, chili pepper spray is a great homemade natural insect repellent that can be used for a variety of different pests. Chili spray can be made from either fresh hot peppers or chili pepper powder. To make a basic chili spray from pepper powder, mix 1 tablespoon of chili powder with 1 quart of water and several drops of mild liquid soap. This mixture can be used full strength on the leaves of affected plants. 7. All-in-one homemade spray. From the folks at Rodale's Organic Life comes this all-in-one DIY natural insecticide, which is said to be a combination of many different recipes submitted by readers. To make it, pure 1 bulb of garlic and 1 small onion, add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder and let steep for an hour. Strain the mixture and add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap and mix well. To apply this homemade insecticide, spray it full strength onto both the upper surface of the leaves, as well as the undersides, and store the remainder in the refrigerator for up to a week if desired. 8. Tomato leaf spray. I have to admit that this one is new to me, but I've seen enough mentions of it now to warrant its inclusion here as a natural pesticide. Tomato plants are part of the nightshade family, and as such, contain alkaloids such as the aptly named tomatine, which can effectively control aphids and other insects. To make tomato leaf spray for a natural insecticide, chop 2 cups of fresh tomato leaves into 1 quart of water, and let steep overnight. Strain out the plant material and spray onto plant foliage. Every organic gardener seems to have their own particular blend and ratio of ingredients, so by paying close attention to the effects of a specific recipe, it's possible to modify it to best suit your own insect battles. Just remember, killing off all of the insects in your garden is not the desired result here, as any healthy ecosystem requires an abundance of beneficial insects, microbes, and fungi, both in the soil and on the plants themselves, so introducing other predatory insects or creating good habitat for them, as well as building soil fertility, can also be an effective pest management approach. Hope you like this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.